Height detection system Upper-navi. Upper-navi can detect whether nut bolt is set or not, nut height and unsuitable workpiece thickness. Detection accuracy 0.01 millimeters. Example: put bracket on the welding machine. Adjust to bracket position. Put sensor unit on the welding machine. Input various settings with the controller. Easy to put controller using attached mounting plate. Just plug in 3 connectors to complete the connection. Method of detection. Set reference point of correct nut setting to Upper-navi. Detects the deviation instantly, stops machine startup right before welding.